Hello everyone, I am Lipsa from JNTC Center. So today I am going to present here about Fastag. So in this topic, my contents are introduction, logo of Fastag, working principle, what are the types of Fastag according to the color, then the advantage, disadvantage and application. So first we will see about the introduction. The Fastag is a RFID technology-based electronic card which is used for collecting the road tax. It started on 16th February in the year of 2021 in India. This tax is managed by the Indian Highway Management Company Limited. Now 2 crore of people are using this Fastag card per day. The India government is getting the revenue of 80 crore. The revenue is collected by the NTTC and NTTC stands for National Electronic Toll Corporation. Then this is the logo of Fastag. Then working principle. The Fastag technology work on the principle of RFID technology. The RFID stands for Radio Frequency Identification Device. This RFID can be divided into two types, passive RFID and active RFID. The passive RFID is attached in the car and the active RFID is attached on the toll. Then working. The toll will capture the Fastag ID through the RFID, which is Fastag ID is connected on the top of the windshield of the car. The Fastag ID is connected with the user's account. For validation purpose, the account will contact with the NTTC validator, and the validator will calculate the user's tax. Then the money will debit from the user's account. Then these are the Fastag types according to the color. There are several types of Fastag IDs available. Violet, orange, green, yellow, pink, and sky blue and black. Then the violet color is used in car, jeep, van, etc. Then the lightweight purpose, which is having the 2XL vehicle. The orange Fastag ID is used. 2XL bus or trucks are used in green. Then the yellow color Fastag ID is used in 3XL buses or trucks. Then the pink color is used in 4, 5 or more than 6XL. Then the more than 7XL, which is having bus or trucks, the sky blue color is used. Then the black color is used in JCP. Then the advantage. It reduces the time, it saves the money, it gives the quick message to the users, it reduces the looting. Then the disadvantage. It gives the technical problem more. It generates the overheat and it will get the privacy is less. Then the application. Mainly this Fastag ID is applicable for giving the road tax to the government, and it is mainly used in vehicle. Thank you.